Hi guys, back again with another video. Now in this video, we're going to do the microphone sound test of the Samsung Galaxy Fold 3. So you would see that I'm actually holding the phone in my hand right now and I'm talking to you. So the entire sound in this video is going to be recorded from the phone's mic. So basically I've made a phone call from here to a different phone and then recording the sound that this one is getting on that phone. So the other phone is muted, so no sound from the other phone is going to come in. The entire sound you'll be getting is from this phone. I will be doing a comparison. So there's a second phone which is recording, so that will give you the background sound. So I'll be showing you both the clips with just the mic sound from this phone and the clips with the microphone sound from the other phone. So you will be able to compare and know how good or bad is the microphone sound call on the Galaxy Fold 3 while you're on a phone call. So let's go ahead and start the test. Okay, so this is the kind of sound that you'll get when you are in the mall. So I'm at Phoenix Mall in the food court. So a lot of people around me, a lot of sound, machine sound, people sound and all. So hopefully my sound is audible enough. Okay, so this is the kind of sound that you'll get when you are in the mall. So I'm at Phoenix Mall in the food court. So a lot of people around me, a lot of sounds, machine sound, people sound and all. So hopefully my sound is audible enough. Okay, so this is the kind of sound that you'll get when you're in traffic situation. So right now I am next to Phoenix Mall, lot of traffic here. So hopefully you can hear me well and my sound is audible. Okay, so this is the kind of sound that you'll get when you're in traffic situation. So right now I am next to Phoenix Mall, lot of traffic here. So hopefully you can hear me well and my sound is audible. Okay, so we're doing the wind sound test now. So there's a lot of wind right now, so it's going to rain. So a lot of wind. Hopefully my sound is audible and the wind is not causing a lot of disturbance. Okay, so we're doing the wind sound test now. So there's a lot of wind right now, so it's going to rain. So a lot of wind. Hopefully my sound is audible and the wind is not causing a lot of disturbance. Okay, so you guys have seen the video, so now you can actually decide for yourself how good or bad this was. Let me tell you about my experience of what did I think about this. So basically, I did not think that this is going to be that powerful. I have used other devices before, but in those, I found that people used to come to know that where I am. Like if I'm in a traffic situation, they would know that I'm in a traffic situation. If I'm in the food mall or something with all the people talking and all that sound, little bit creeps in. But this one was amazing. The sound quality was so good. People never knew that I was actually in traffic. I was in the food mall, or people actually thought that I was home. So because there was no background sound coming in, wind sound a little bit, but other than that, the background sound was very, very minimal. You can only notice that if you're wearing an earphone and closely listen to it, only then you can hear a little bit of the background sound. If not, your sound was really clear. Even this sound, whatever you're getting right now, is in a quiet room, a little bit of echo, but you can see how clear the sound is. You can be the judge for yourself. You've seen the video. You can decide for yourself if this phone's microphone is good enough for you or not. So that's it for this video. And if you want to see the video in a different language like Malayalam or Hindi, I have two other channels. I'll be putting the links for them in the description too. So that's it for this video. If you like the video, please subscribe with a like button and to comment, and I'll see you again with another video. Bye bye.